If your team is drowning in alerts but still misses real API issues, it's time to rethink your uptime monitoring. SiteInformant focuses on catching real customer pain points early, not just any blip on the radar. This means fewer false alarms and clearer incident ownership for DevOps and SRE teams. Plus, it tracks SSL expiry to prevent unexpected outages that can tank your site's reputation. The best part? You get all this without risking your existing search rankings or traffic. SiteInformant's approach helps you grow qualified trial users by improving alert quality and uptime visibility. So instead of chasing noise, you focus on what matters, keeping your AP is reliable and your customers happy. Try it out and see how smarter monitoring can sharpen your incident response and reduce alert fatigue. That kind of clarity helps busy teams move faster, make better decisions, and keep their day focused on the work that matters.